Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I was able to achieve this with just my smartphone, and it's for free. So if today is your first to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications each time we drop new videos like this. So before we continue, let me show you some of the images I've created so far. So this, you can see something like this, can see something like this, you can see something like this, and you can see something like this, and I was able to achieve this for free. So before we continue, make sure you watch this video to the end. Watching this video to the end, you actually know the site I use, because this is not done with an app. I'm going to show you the site I use and how I set up my account on the site and the prompt I use on that website. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video. Thanks. So this is what you do. Open your Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser, then type in Bing Image Creator. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can type it on your Google or on your Chrome browser. Then this is what you type here. You type Bing Image Creator. You can see it here. You can see it here. So after typing here, this is what you do. After typing, then you search. Okay. You click on the first link that you open here. You can see from here now, you can see from here, then you type on it. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end, as I said earlier, so that you learn how you can set up an account with the site if you are new to the site. And if you already have an account with them, make sure you watch this video to the end so you know the prompt I use and how to download the images and all. So this is the interface of the Microsoft website, because the big this image here is created by Microsoft. So this is the interface of the website here. So this is what will happen after getting to this point. If you don't have an account with them, Microsoft, this is what you do. You are going to see join and create here. You are going to see join and create here. So what you have to do is for you to join, you click on the join and create. So you are going to create an account. After clicking on that, you are going to put your Gmail and your password, and you verify. So after you have verified this, you got into this point, you are going to have this interface. So now this is what will happen. Let me show you how you can download, create. After you create it, I'm going to show you how you can download it. So take note of here, you can see this place here. So here now we have, you are going to have 15 points here. So the 15 point here, mine was 15 here, but I have already used to create some. So you are being given 15 points every day to generate anything on the website. So after the 15 point, after you finish the 15 points, you have to wait for another 24 hours before you can get another 15 points again. So yeah, these are some of the creation I've created with the website. So let's wait for it to come up. So let's, all right, so these are some of my creation here. You can see creation. So you can also see here, you can also see here. So let me first show you the ones here. See the ones I've created so far. So as I say here, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can learn how the prompt I use to create this. So after you have generated, this is where you click to download the image. When you click on here, you see in download. So when you click on download, you can see here the image has downloaded into my phone. So this is the images I've created so far. So you can see the prompt I use here. So I'm going to show you the prompt to use. So you can see here, this is what I did also with just a prompt. So you can see here, you can see here, you can see the images here. So make sure you watch the video to the end. So now let me show you how you can create this trending AI image. So first in here, this is where you put in your prompt. So In case you don't have any prompt to put, if you are new to the website, you can click on surprise me. It's going to generate something for you. You might see what you like there, then you download it into your phone. So this is how I come up to have this. These are the prompts I use to have this and to also have these ones here. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you like this video. So this is the prompt I use here. So take note. So you can see from the screen 3D realistic, really realistic. You can see here 3D realistic of, let me try for another country. So let me try for another country. Let me try for another country. 3D realistic of Ghana. Let me try for Ghana. Okay. Capital. You can see capital. Okay, 3D realistic of Ghana capital with letter, right, with letter G. So with flag. Okay, so make sure you flags and building around so after I've come up with this is what I'll do. I'll click on create. So I'll allow it to generate and come up with it, right? So you can see this is cool, this is cool, this is pretty cool. Yeah, you can see I like what this image come up here. So you can see here, this is awesome, this is beautiful. So you can see it here. So what you have to do is for you to tap on anyone, then you wait for it to load. So after you can see it here, then you click on here to download, then you click on there to download, then you wait for it. So you can check on the one that you like, you can check on the one you like, check, you can download the one you like here, you can download from the one you like. So let me download this one. So you can download from the one you like here. So thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. On this channel we post tutorials on graphic design, affiliate marketing, website design, and how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you get notification each time we drop new videos like this. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.